to Region 2. I'm Adeline and I'll be your tour guide for today. First, I want to show you the Secretary and Director's office. And the first classroom that I want to show you is the Culinary Arts room. It has a working dining room and it makes unbelievable cookies. Take a look.
Culinary Arts is designed to orient students in food preparation procedures and the use of commercial kitchen equipment. Here, practical application in baking, main meal production, short order cooking, and menu planning gets each student involved in catering functions and developing hands-on experience by participating in the Culinary Arts restaurant.
Now, doesn't that look fun? They not only get to learn, but they get to eat what they make. The next classroom I want to show you is the EMT class. They're not here right now because they train over at the fire station.
The Emergency Medical Technician, or EMT class, is a combination of classroom instruction and practical hands-on procedures taught by EMTs at the Holton Fire Station. In addition to their conventional responsibilities, EMTs may be required to enter burning buildings as part of a fire suppression team and assist firefighters with rescuing injured or trapped victims.
Now, across the hall is the welding classroom. They have a lot of equipment and need a really big room. Let's take a look.
The first weeks of the welding program are devoted to proper equipment safety training and oxyacetylene setup. The second and third quarters are devoted to stick welding, padding, blueprinting, and destructive bend tests done in multiple positions. The last few weeks are for exposure to TIG, MIG, and flux core, and students may elect for their American Welding Society certifications.
Moving down the hall, we have the Health and Science class, also known as the CNA course. This is a one-year program.
Health Science is geared toward the completion of a CNA certificate. Here, students practice hands-on procedures to perfect skills and techniques needed in this challenging field. The class time is based on state requirements and does not follow the standard schedule during the clinical portion of the class-taught area facilities.
Another one of our really big classrooms is the automotive shop. They get to work on customer-supplied vehicles just like a real garage. Let's take a look.
In automotive, students take interactive classroom lessons and then apply what's learned in a real-world automotive shop setting. From engine diagnosis and tune-ups using the latest scan tools to tire, wheel balancing, suspension, and wheel alignments, students work on almost every automotive component using state-of-the-art equipment and proven techniques.
Now, down the hall, we have the law enforcement classroom. Now, they do a lot of studying in the class, but they also do a lot of training in the field.
The law enforcement program combines classroom education with hands-on learning needed for the demands required in the law enforcement field. Instruction includes patrol techniques, vehicle crash and criminal investigation, fingerprinting, handcuffing, and defensive tactics. Physical education, live firearms training, and safety are also provided.
The Early Childhood program is on the Region 2 campus, but they have their own building.
In this program, students learn to develop lesson plans, then practice teaching them using other students as participants. The primary goal of the Early Childhood Occupations program is to provide students with the knowledge and experiences that will prepare them to go on to entry-level positions and to continue their education in early childhood or other related fields.
The only class that is not located on the Region 2 campus is the forestry program. They're located at Southern Heuristic High School and also do a lot of learning outside the classroom.
The forestry program teaches students the entry-level skills needed to work as a professional logger by harvesting wood on a lot made available by Irving Woodlands. Upon completion of the program, graduates could receive their apprenticeship through the Certified Logging Program and also receive college credits through University of Maine.
Down the hall is the auto collision class. Let's go check it out. Like automotives, they also use customer-supplied vehicles.
The Auto Body program combines textbook learning with hands-on experience to teach all aspects of auto body repair from panel replacement, using power tools, various body fillers, and metalworking techniques, all combined with single-stage and multi-stage paint process needed to complete a finished product.
The last class on our tour today is the electrical lab, where they do hands-on wiring and all kinds of electrical layouts and test procedures.
This new course will prepare students for the National Center for Construction Education and Research certification, designed for students who want to pursue entry-level positions as field service electricians and residential installation electricians. Program completers will find opportunities in a number of manufacturing industries and residential market sectors, and the program topics include basic electricity, residential wiring, electrical construction codes and practices, the use of test equipment and electrical hand and power tools, mastering the National Electrical Code.
Wow, what a great set of career options offered here at Region 2. And don't those classes look amazing? I'd like to invite you to come by campus for a day and to shadow a student in a class that interests you, or get with your guidance counselor and set up a personal tour.
Create!
Think!
Excel!
Region 2!
See your guidance counselor or contact Region 2 for more information.